Alright, so installing Unity is pretty easy. You just go to Google, type in Unity, and go to the unity.com website. You'll be greeted with this website. Now click on Get Started. Now here it shows you all the plans and what's actually compatible with what type of Unity you want to buy. So we're actually just going to download the individual suite or the individual version, and I'm gonna download personal. If you have a student account, click on sign up and you'll get all these benefits, extra benefits. But I'm just gonna download the personal version. I'm gonna download for Windows. After that, a Unity Hub setup will install. Now what you'll be installing is actually the Unity Hub, which is this little application right here. Now when you actually download it and set it up and install it, it'll open this, but nothing will be here. So that's actually when you create any projects. Well, you should go to installs and click on install editor. Now it'll show you what version you actually want to install. Just install the recommended version that is available to you at the time of you watching this. So currently it's 2021.3. I actually have 2021.2 installed, and I'm going to be using it in this course. So yeah, it's not going to be a very big difference, but I advise you to install the recommended version. Now, after installing that, you'll set it up and everything, and then install the IDE. Now, my recommended IDE and the IDE we'll be using in this course is called the Visual Studio IDE. An IDE is a integrated development environment, a software and application that you use to write code. It'll prompt you a screen to download everything you need, and after doing that, just click on New Project. Select the version you want, which should be just one version because you actually have one version. I have like 3 versions here. I'm just going to select on 2021.2, and I'm going to select 2D. I'm going to name this project Moody 2D. And I'm going to be saving it in my C drive in a folder called Unity Projects. Awesome. And now I'm going to click on Create Project. Alright, so now after opening the Unity editor, it should show something like this, an empty scene. It's called sample scene, and we have a scenes folder right here which just has the sample scene. A scene is basically a level. You can think of it as a level. Different scenes are different levels. And now it's just basically blank. We don't have anything in our scene. Now what we're gonna do is we basically have the different resolutions or aspect ratios. I'm just gonna select the 16:9 aspect ratio, but you can select different aspect ratios if you want. We have the 4K UHD. You can even add in different aspect ratios, maybe 1920 by 1080 if you want. I already have it here, but I'm just gonna use the 16:9 aspect ratio. And yeah, see you in the next lesson.